This is Dr. Jeniranjan Gaud, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Dr. B.R. Government Degree College, Jarchilla. In this video, I would like to discuss about differential equations. Now let me start with definition of differential equation. An equation involving derivatives or differentials of one dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. Example, dy by dx plus xy is equal to sin x. In this equation, we have dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, and y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. So this is a differential equation. See second example, dou square by dou x square plus dou y by dou t is equal to log x. In this equation, we have two independent variables, they are x comma t, and this equation involves partial derivatives of y with respect to x and t. So this is also a differential equation. There are two types of differential equations. First one is ordinary differential equation. Second one is partial differential equation. So ordinary differential equation, a differential equation which involves derivatives with respect to one dependent variable is called a ordinary differential equation. So ordinary differential equation is nothing but a differential equation contains derivatives with respect to one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. See example, dqy by dx cube whole square plus x into d square by dx square plus dy by dx plus 3y is equal to 0. In this equation, we have derivatives of y with respect to one independent variable is x. And second example, dy by dx plus xy is equal to e power x. These two are ordinary differential equations. Now partial differential equation. A differential equation which involves derivatives with respect to two or more independent variables is called partial differential equation. Example, first example, dou y by dou x plus dou y by dou t is equal to 0. In this equation, we have two independent variables x comma t, so this is partial differential equation. And see example 2, dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou x dou t plus dou square by dou t square is equal to e power x. So this is also a partial differential equation. Now define order and degree of differential equation. First, order. The order of the highest order derivative involved in a differential equation is called the order of differential equation. The differential equation contains higher order derivative. That order is same as the order of differential equation. So degree of differential equation. The degree of differential equation is the degree of highest order derivative present in the equation after differential equation has been made free from radicals and fractions as far as derivative concerned. So the degree of differential equation is defined as degree of highest order derivative. Degree of highest order derivative. So see example 1, dqy by dx cube whole square plus x into d square by dx square plus 3xy is equal to 0. In this equation, we have second order derivative and third order derivative. The highest order derivative is dqy by dx cube. So the order is 3. The degree of this equation is the degree of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is dqy by dx cube. So the power of dqy by dx cube is 2. So that the degree of this equation is 2. See example 2. D square by dx square is equal to dy by dx plus 3xy whole power 2 by 3. So here the power of dy by dx plus 3xy is fraction. So reduce this equation in the form of d square y by dx cube whole square, d square by dx square whole cube is equal to dy by dx plus 3xy whole square. By raising the given equation power up to 3, you will get d square by dx square whole cube is equal to dy by dx plus 3xy whole square. So in this equation, the higher order derivative is d square by dx square. So the order is 2, and the power of d square by dx square is 3. So degree is 3. See example 3. D square by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 3xy power 2 by 3. So this is the equation. The derivatives are free from radicals or fractions. So The highest order derivative is d square by dx square. The order of this equation is 2. The power of d square by dx square is 1. So the degree of this equation is 1. See one more example. Root 1 plus d by dx whole square is equal to d square by dx square whole power 5 by 6. To find degree and order, it is easy to find the order of the differential equation. The equation contains higher order derivative. That order is also same as the order of differential equation. So in this given equation, we have dy by dx and d square by dx square. The higher order derivative is d square by dx square. So the order of this equation is 2. To find degree, first the equation has been made free from radicals and fractions. For that, raise this power up to 6 on both sides. You will get 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 is equal to d square y by dx square whole power 5. In this equation, the power of d square by dx square is 5. So the degree of this equation is 5. Now, here one more interesting example is there. Find the order and degree of differential equation y is equal to sine dy by dx. To find order, just in this equation, we have only first order derivative, so order is 1. To find degree, you write this equation in polynomial form. So you have to expand sine dy by dx. So you know that sin x expansion, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus so on. So expand y is equal to sin dy by dx in the form of y is equal to dy by dx minus 1 by 3 factorial dy by dx whole cube plus 1 by 5 factorial dy by dx whole power 5 plus minus so on. So here we have infinitely many terms. You can't define the degree of dy by dx. In the first term dy by dx, the degree of power of dy by dx is 1. In second dy by dx, power is 3. Third term dy by dx power is 5. So on. You will get infinitely many terms. So you can't define the degree of dy by dx. So the degree of the given equation is not defined. Similarly, pi is equal to log dy by dx. In this also you get infinitely many terms. You can't define the degree, so that degree is not defined for this equation. Now the solution of differential equation. A solution of differential equation is a relation between the dependent and independent variables not involving the derivatives such that this relation and obtain the derivatives from it satisfies the given differential equation. A solution of differential equation nothing but a relation between dependent and independent which satisfies the given differential equation. So y is equal to c e power x is a solution of differential equation dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So given that y is equal to c e power x, check whether the y is equal to c e power x satisfies or not the given differential equation dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So for that, first find dy by dx. Y is equal to c e power x. Dy by dx is equal to c into e power x derivative e power x. So dy by dx is equal to c into e power x. And y is equal to c power x. Substitute these values in the given equation dy by dx minus y equal to 0. So you observe that y equal to c e power x satisfies the given equation. So that y equal to c into e power x is a solution of differential equation dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. Similarly, y equal to c1 plus c2 x e power x is a solution of d square by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. So you may check this y equal to c1 plus c2 x e power x satisfies the given differential equation d square by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Find dy by dx and d square by dx square and substitute this in this equation. It satisfies the given differential equation. So that y is equal to c1 plus c2 x e power x is solution of this differential equation d square by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now the formation of differential equation. differential equation of family of curves. Suppose a given an equation of containing n arbitrary constants. Then by differentiating it successively n times, we get n equations more containing n arbitrary constants and derivatives. Now, by eliminating n arbitrary constants from above n plus 1 equations and obtain an equation which involves derivatives up to the nth order. So, we get a differential equation of order n. First, a family of curves, given family of curves containing n arbitrary constants. So differentiate the given equation in n times. You will get n equations. These n equations and given equation, there are n plus 1 equations. Among n plus 1 equations, eliminate arbitrary constants. You will get a equation which involves derivatives, that is the differential equation. Particularly, the order of the differential equation is n. If you have n arbitrary constants, you will get nth order differential equation. If you have two arbitrary constants, you will get second order differential equation. Example, see example 1. Find the differential equation of the family of curves y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x, where c1, c2 are arbitrary constants. In this equation, we have two arbitrary constants, c1 and c2. So we are allowed to differentiate two times. So take given equation y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. We get derivative of y is divided by dx is equal to c1 into derivative of e power 2x is 2 into e power 2x plus c2 into derivative of e power minus 2x is minus 2 into e power minus 2x. So you get divided by dx is equal to 2c1 e power 2x minus 2c2 e power minus 2x. Again, differentiate 2 with respect to x again. We get d square by dx square plus 4c1 e power 2x plus 4c2 e power minus 2x. From the equation 1 and 3, what is 1? Equation 1 is y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Equation 3 is d square by dx square is equal to 4c1 e power 2x plus 4c2 e power 2x. In this equation, take 4 as common. You will get d square by dx square is equal to 4 into c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 2x. But we know from equation 1, c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x is y. So substitute y in the place of c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. You will get d square by dx square is equal to 4y, and you write it as d square by dx square minus 4y is equal to 0. Thus, in this equation, there are no arbitrary constants, right? C1, C2 are related from this equation. So this equation is the differential equation of the given family of curves. So see second example. Find the differential equation of the family of curves, circles, x square plus y square is equal to a square, where a is arbitrary constant. In the given equation, we have only one arbitrary constant. So we have to differentiate this equation only one time. From this one time, from these two equations, eliminate a, you will get differential equation. The given equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Differentiate the equation with respect to x. So you get x square derivative 2x plus y square derivative 2y into y derivative divided by dx is equal to, being a square is constant, so you will get 0. You may write this as x plus y divided by dx is equal to 0. In this equation, there is an arbitrary constant, right? So you may take this as a differential equation of the given family of circles. So x plus y into divided by dx is equal to 0 is the differential equation of family of circles. See one more example. Find the differential equation of the family of curves y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. In the given equation, we have two arbitrary constants, so that we are allowed to differentiate two times. So take given equation y is equal to e power x a cos x plus b sin x. Differentiate the given equation with respect to x. So derivative of y is y divided by dx. This is product of two functions. So apply UV formula. A cos x plus b sin x into derivative of e power x is e power x plus e power x into derivative of a cos x plus b sin x is minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now observe here. Dy by dx e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. E power x into a cos x plus b sin x is nothing but y. So write in the place of e power x into a cos x plus b sin x as y. You get dy by dx minus y is equal to e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now again differentiate the above equation with respect to x. You get derivative of dy by dx is d square by dx square minus derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to, again UV formula, apply UV formula. E power x derivative is e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x plus e power x into derivative of minus a sin x plus b cos x is minus a cos x minus b sin x. Now write e power x into a minus a sin x plus b cos x is dy by dx minus y, and here you write this minus y. So you get the equation, whole equation, d square by dx square minus dy by dx is equal to dy by dx minus y minus y. Simplify this, you will get d square by dx square minus 2y by dx minus 2y is equal to 0, which is the differential equation of given curve. You may practice by using these exercise problems. First one, by eliminate the constants a and b, obtain the differential equation for which xy is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x plus x square is a solution. Here nothing but you have to find the differential equation of the curve xy is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x plus x square, where a and b are arbitrary constants. So in this equation we have two arbitrary constants, so we have to differentiate two times. First let me write this equation as xy minus x square is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. So after second derivative you will get same a e power x plus b e power minus x. Substitute a e power x plus b e power minus x is xy minus x square, then simplify, you will get a differential equation. And I will show the solution of this second example. See third example. Find the differential equation of family of curves y is equal to c into x minus c whole square, where c is a parameter or arbitrary constants. So here in this equation we have only one arbitrary constant, so you have to derive one time only. Now what is the dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 2c into x minus c. So y is equal to c into x minus c whole square, dy by dx is equal to 2c into x minus c whole square. From these two equations, eliminate c, find the differential equation. To eliminate c, simply find the value of y by y dash. Y by y dash, you will get x minus c by 2. So x minus c by 2 is equal to 2y by y dash. C is equal to x minus 2y by y dash. Then substitute c value in the given equation. You will get the differential equation. I gave answers also. You have to check with these answers. Now I will show the solution of the second problem. Find the differential equation of all circles of radius r. So all circles of radius r are in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here h comma k is a center, and take h comma k as are arbitrary constants. So the given family of circles is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here we have two constants, so we are allowed to differentiate two times. So first differentiate with respect to x, then we will get x minus h whole square derivative is 2 into x minus h plus y minus k whole square derivative is 2 into y minus k into y derivative is y dash. Here y dash is nothing but dy by dx is equal to r square is constant, so the derivative of r square is 0. Again differentiate this equation 5 with respect to x, we get 2 into x minus derivative, x derivative is 1, h derivative is 0, so 2 into 1 plus 2 into, here there are two product functions, y minus k into y dash. So again you apply UV formula. So 2 into y minus k, y dash derivative y double dash plus 2 into y dash y minus k derivative is y dash is equal to 0. From this, you write the value of y minus k. Y minus k is equal to minus of 1 plus y dash square by y double dash. Substitute this value, y minus k value, in the equation 5. What is 5? 5 is x minus h plus y minus k into y dash is equal to 0. From this, x minus h is equal to minus of y minus k into y dash. Substitute y minus k value in this equation. You will get x minus h is equal to y dash into 1 plus y dash square by y double dash. Substitute x minus h and y minus k values in the given equation. In this equation, what we get? X minus h value is minus y dash into 1 plus y dash square by y double dash. So write y dash into 1 plus y dash whole square by y double dash whole square plus minus of 1 plus y dash square by y double dash whole square is equal to r square. Then you write this as, take y double dash square is LCM, you get 1 plus y dash square into 1 plus y dash square whole square, that is 1 plus y dash square whole cube by y double dash whole square is equal to r square. Then cross multiply, you will get 1 plus y dash square whole cube is equal to r square into y double dash square. In this equation, there is no arbitrary constants. So this is a differential equation of given family of circles. X minus whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So thank you.